Today's tooltip will show you how N-phase hook compensation has been activated for corner radius and double corner radius and mill tools. So here I have a corner radius tool where I have a large hook angle or a rake angle and an NAS depth, and as you can see here, the N-phase land width is not following this hook angle. It's actually following and maintaining the radius for the corner radius, but not compensating for the flute in the N-phase. So what we have added here is N-phase hook compensation to get this right. So to demonstrate that a bit more nicely, let me change that to the land width to 0.1 at the N-phase and OD. So now you'll clearly be able to see how the land width is not following. So you can see the land width here and the corner, but it's not following the N-phase. So if I do a calculate hook compensation, it's all set to default. Let me do a hook compensation. It does a hook compensation quickly, and now it will display how the hook compensation has been done. Now the N-phase land is actually following the hook that is done by the fluting. So the complete land width is now 0.1, and this is actually not done by default because some customers want to follow the old tools what they have manufactured. So if you don't do the hook compensation, you'll get the old tool style, but with hook compensation now you get a correct land width that is following the hook.